Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're playing some more Roblox and we're playing the airplane. So, this is ready. Let's get into it. Hey! You copied my wardrobe! Well, she doesn't have my backpack and my mouse, so that's good. Well, this is my New Year's mouse. It's so cute with the honey. It looks so cute. And I've joined in with a girl that has my avatar. That's a little convenient. Did she have my system get my avatar and then just unhack it? What is that? Alright, F6. 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 Wait, does it? A, B, C, D, E. Wait, E comes after F. E comes before F. Where comes... Wait. You guys can read what he's saying, but I won't read it because he said too many words. Feel free to explore the airplane. I'm not exploring. What if something just pops out and just like jump scares us all? It probably will happen. It's my first time playing this game. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Oh, it's also her. Wait, 3 people has my hairstyle. Thank you for your cooperation. That girl said me too. That means it's also her first. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Alright, the girl that looks like me in the back, I hope you don't die. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. It's so funny. Oh my! They talking while they're talking. What's going on? I'm not feeling really well. There has to be... Wait, the sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo! Excuse me, I am not allergic to mayo at all. Oh no, quickly, we need to find my baggage for medicine. I found it! Thank God. Phew! That was a close one. Oh my God, that means I get to live. Yes, I could have died if I did not have that baggage. Good afternoon to all passengers informed. I inform you we have received an attitude. You guys read it. You pause the video and read it because I don't know what he just said there. Alright, this is where this girl's sitting. Okay. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We will have We still have a few hours to go. Does that mean like a lot of few hours, like a lot of minutes, and like quadrillion seconds? Just happened. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Yeah, cool. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? You will not survive. Wait, what? Are those snakes? Oh no. Eek. Go get on the seat. What are you doing, girl? Get on the seat. All right. Avoid those snakes. I'm just looking around for... Guys, there's an open restroom. Where? Here, guys, here. I made it. Okay. Made it out alive. I was just looking on the seat if... Don't see me pee. Okay, I won't see me. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Yeah, what is happening? And what the heck would be something I would say in real life? Because I say that all the time. Yeah. Oh wait, that was not me. That was the other girl. I'm getting both of our characters mixed up. I mean, she would have my New Year rat and my backpack, so. But both of us look pretty much familiar. Power is back up. Yay! And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yeah. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Yeah. Your attention, passengers, I have good news and bad news. What's the good news? The good news is that the power is back up. Yay! What's the bad news? The bad news is that we are losing significant amount of oxygen mask will drop over your seat. Okay. Alright. I'm good. I am good. I got my oxygen mask. This does not look like... Oh, it does look like an oxygen mask. This mask will keep you guys safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Alright, good. Oxygen masks. And nobody's saying that, I'm saying. What just happened again? Wait. Oh my God! What is this? What is what? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Where? What are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. Oh my God. If we find something sharp, oh my God. I found a pair of scissors. Okay, good, use it. Which cable should I cut? I don't know. I will cut the red cable. Oops. He didn't make it. No! This girl now, like, how is she still alive? He didn't make it. We are going to have to... Oh my god. I'm so happy that was not me. We haven't heard of the clue in a while. We should look for... Okay, I found them. They're unconscious. We need to alert the captain quickly to get to the captain room. Where's the captain room? It's in front, isn't it? I found it. It's locked. Oh no. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. What do I do? This door needs a code. If we find it, maybe we'll be able to open it. Oh my god. Alright, we found the door. Alright. Oh my god. It's scaring me so much. That's scaring me so much. Oh. You will pay for what you've done. You will pay for what you've done. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. He's scared. I brought you here. All of you. That is not possible. What? Ouch. It is, and now it's time to, it's time to oof. It's time to oof. It's time to oof. See you in the oof. Oof. Okay, we can get it. The captain is unconscious. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? We need to find the autopilot button. Who's going to drive the plane? I will. We still a little awkward. Click everything and find the button. Click everything. Click everything. I found the button. Alright, I will drive. We did it! We saved the plane! Yes. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Oh my god. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Autopilot. Okay, we've tracked your location. We are taking control. Good. Oh my god. Then there is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I will. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. I wanna be it all. He's a co-pilot! I wanted to be the co-pilot. Well, he's a co-pilot, whatever. But whatever. Okay, everyone, I got this. Okay, you said you got this, so okay. I did. Oh no! It is back! Muhahaha. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. The last chance of blah 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 blah. Remix blah blah blah. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. I'm not doing it. I am saving this plane. No. You humans are so weak. What do you mean? This is not the last time you see me. Muhahahaha. He's gone. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? I don't know. Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Oh my God, victory! And I did not take any less help than those snakes that we saw. That was creepy. Well, anyways, guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.